buddy out here in the middle of the track. Having a good time being a spectator. Here comes somebody now. Good job. Frank, what are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? Hey, what are you doing down there? Strike a pose. Can you vogue?
Can I vogue?
Yeah, fucking vogue.
Why you gotta turn the camera on and ask me goofy shit? Why I gotta be, can you vogue? Can I vogue?
Absolutely.
Fucking right I can vogue. Huge Madonna fan. Keep that shit rolling. Listen, kids these days don't understand Madonna. And I'm gonna tell you what, the one thing about Madonna, my relationship with Madonna is, it's one of the most played songs at strip clubs. So like there it is, straight up. I mean, there you go.
It brings back fond memories.
I mean, there's no other way to put it.
Of your stripping days. Stripper money, all them ones.
Hey, there's some 20s in there.
You only drop the ones though.
Yeah, I throw them. Hey, back in the day, look, I got a funny stripper story. So me and my boys were in this strip club and we're like totally messed up. And my buddy's throwing all these ones, and like this one chick, it was hot and she wouldn't pay attention to him. It was Gabe. So he takes this $1 bill up and he's like, boom, and he fucking beans her and it's like, ping. I swear to God, the whole strip club fell out over this shit. This bitch is over there, da 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 da, boom. It just gets beaten in the head with $1 bill. He's like, hey, bitch.
That's when you gotta start doing quarters.
Oh, well, damn. I mean, they're not drink machines, Thomas. What the fuck? I mean, you know what I'm saying? We see where your mind at. Like, yeah. There you go, bitch. I'm gonna flick a penny at your ass.
I don't go to strip clubs, so there's that.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Don't lie on YouTube.
I've been a whole 3 times.
You're just worried about your girl seeing this.
3 times. I've been 3 times, and not a single dollar has left my possession.
So a lot of dollars have left my possession for some women in some other states that I ain't know the real name of.
Bye, Stuart.
I call her Crystal. I don't care. Tiffany, whatever. I ain't worried. I ain't put on a cop. I ain't looking at license. We ain't here for that. No, it's entertainment, man. It's all good. We have a lot of good time. I don't do it no more either. I'm with you.
All the single men. All the single men. All the single men. All the single men. Go to the strip club.
Well, I mean, if you understand the entertainment aspect of it, you'll be okay. If you go there looking for love, you're the biggest loser in the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, seriously. It's like going to a rap concert trying to win a freestyle contest. Like, get the fuck out of here. It's stupid.
Got Jason Richardson with the life tips.
Hey, come on. Strip club tips from JJ. I've done it.
going? Where are you going? Try again. Sounds like it. Was here.
Thanks for letting me drive.
Right behind me, we got DeNofa in that Miata. Stock 1.8. Oh no. Spinny, spinny. It can be done, folks. It can be done. No, it doesn't. See how the hood's bent up there and the front end's pushed in?
Yeah, that's what's pushed back, dude. There's no other way to do it.
Still looks drivable. Get it to the pits.
I mean, you definitely sent it.
Huh?
Yeah, crank pulley is sitting on the fan.
Oh, is it?
Fan's tank anyway, probably.
I mean, you're doing good.
Dude, you wouldn't even have fucked the radiator up with this thing.
I'm making me buy a new Porsche card.
We make one.
Nope. Oh, I don't feel like dealing with that shit.
Alright, what do you want to do? Let's get off track.
Yeah. You can.
Truck down here.
Good thing you got that new hood too.
No, that's the old hood.
That's what I'm saying. Good thing you got the new one.
Why? What's wrong with this one? Just bend it and reuse it.
Well, that's right. Didn't you already do that?
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right. Yeah.
Oops, sorry. I think he was a little close to my rear area. So that's the main issue.
So Freestyle Camp had one casualty. So.
Well, a crash, one crash. It's had a couple casualties.
Oh yeah. Freestyle Camp has only had one casualty. This is the only casualty at Freestyle. This and Josh Popkins at the last one.
I mean, like engines blowing up and stuff.
Yeah.
It's had some cars get broke. Yeah.
Stewart blew up.
Yep.
All hail to God. Yeah. What do you